When you are editing a video in DaVinci Resolve, sooner or later you will want to add photos. Maybe it is a travel photo, a thumbnail image, or a graphic you want to show on screen. Importing photos into Resolve is simple, but there are a couple of small things that beginners often miss. So in this video, I will show you the easiest way to bring photos into your project and start using them right away. First, open your project inside DaVinci Resolve. Once your project is open, go to the media pool. If you are on the edit page, the media pool is usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. This is where all your videos, photos, and audio files will live during the edit. Now, there are two main ways to import photos. The first method is the fastest. Open the folder on your computer where your photos are stored, then simply drag the photo file directly into the media pool. As soon as you drop it there, the image will appear in your project, and it is ready to use. You can now drag that photo from the media pool down onto your timeline, just like you would with a video clip. The second method uses the built-in import option inside Resolve. Right-click anywhere inside the media pool, then click Import Media. This will open a file browser window. Navigate to the folder where your photos are located, select the images you want, and click Open. Those photos will now appear inside your media pool. One thing beginners often notice right away is that photos look extremely long on the timeline. That is because Resolve automatically gives still images a default duration. If you drag a photo to the timeline and it feels too long, simply grab the edge of the clip and shorten it like you would with a video clip. Another small workflow habit that will save you time is organizing your images into folders inside the media pool. You can right-click in the media pool and create a new bin. Then place all your photos inside that bin so your project stays organized, especially when you are working with lots of images. And one more thing that beginners overlook. Photos are usually much higher resolution than video. That means you can zoom in or reframe them without losing quality. So if you want to create movement on a still image, you can use the transform controls in the inspector to slowly zoom or pan across the photo. It is a simple way to make images feel more dynamic in your video. And that is really all there is to it. Import your photos into the media pool, drag them onto the timeline, and adjust the duration to fit your edit. Once you get comfortable with this, adding images to your videos becomes second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more simple DaVinci Resolve tutorials that help you edit faster and avoid beginner mistakes.